Hello everyone, welcome to Vijetha IAS Academy Career Awareness Series. Students have a general doubt in their mind that how many hours they should prepare for civil service examination. Don't compare your preparation with the number of hours per day. Always keep in mind the syllabus. Always you have to measure your preparation with the syllabus. Like suppose preliminary examination you are preparing. In prelims, you have subjects like polity, history, geography, economy, science and tech, current affairs like that. You should not go by this standard. How many hours you should not go by this. Always go by that. Suppose if you take polity book, then chapter by chapter you have to finish. Let any number of hours it takes per day, it doesn't matter for you. Say like you want to prepare first 50 chapters in that particular book. Say like Lakshmi Kant. You go with your own pace. Do not compare with any other person also. One person may finish 50 chapters in 5 days. One person may take 50 chapters, say like 10 days. It doesn't matter whether 5 days you are preparing or 50 days you are preparing or 10 days you are preparing. Ultimately, what matters is if any question come from these chapters, whether you are able to answer them in the format of MCQ or in the mains examination in the form of descriptive type. For the sake of number of hours per day, if you simply read, say like 10 hours, but you do not remember anything, just for sake of reading, you are reading, but you are not comprehending. That kind of preparation will not help you. So don't go by this standard. Always go by the syllabus standard. You have to finish 50 chapters. You have to finish, say like two books from NCERT, 6th standard and 7th standard. If your target is like that, always go by that target, always go by that syllabus, don't go by number of hours. Some students are comfortable in reading 5 hours per day, some are comfortable in 10 hours per day. Don't compare with any other person, any other student based on the numbers, number of hours. Always see whether you are finishing that particular syllabus, particular that book. Go with your own pace, let it take any number of days. But once it comes to the answering, whether you are able to answer 100% if any question comes from that particular book or chapter. Always your measure is this one, not number of hours. All right. So always keep in mind syllabus. You have to finish the syllabus. It doesn't matter how many hours you are preparing. Thank you.